The last, but definitely not least of the sidebar windows is Scrapbooks. Scrapbooks are a bit like presets in Photoshop. They're actually layout files that function like an assets library. You can browse the Scrapbook library by selecting a category from the dropdown, and either selecting a subcategory or toggling through via arrow keys. By default, layout comes with a wide variety of useful content, such as arrows, people, title block info, and even tree symbols. Let's drop some Scrapbook elements into our drawing. Go back to your document and find the kitchen elevation page. Then browse the Scrapbooks window till you find people, then to 1/2 inch equals 1 foot, as that's the scale of our elevation. Pick any of these people and then click down on our elevation to place. You'll notice that the command stays active, so if we wanted to place a bunch of Scrapbook items in a row, then it's easy to do without going back into the panel window each time. Let's add a few other items to our drawing. Open up the title block plane, and then drawing references, and add a drawing title, and maybe even some various callouts. One other thing to note is that you don't even need to drag and drop Scrapbooks into your page to use them. You can sample style settings from any Scrapbook entity using the eyedropper tool, just as if you would if it were live in your file. You can see that under the same title block plane Scrapbook that there's a line weights page. If you have a line in your drawing that needs changing, then just use the Style tool to sample your desired line weight, apply, and there you go. Now that we have a good understanding of how to pull saved items from a Scrapbook, let's now do the opposite and create some custom objects that we'll store in a Scrapbook for later use. Go back to the CAD oven enlargement in your layout file. Let's say we want to add this drawing to a Scrapbook, but just this drawing and not our entire layout document. We first need to copy the line work, then create a new blank document, then paste it, and go to File, Save as Scrapbook. Then browse the Scrapbook panel again, and you'll see there it is, waiting and ready to be dragged and dropped into any future drawing as needed. And if you find yourself wanting to make a change to any of the Scrapbooks, you can just click Edit, and it opens back up as a regular layout document again. Just make your changes and save. No need to save as a Scrapbook again, as it's already stored in the Scrapbooks directory.